In this video, I will show you how to change birthday on Roblox. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Roblox, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on more and then simply go to your settings. So scroll down and then tap on settings, then simply go to account info. Now, if you scroll down, you're gonna see that you have your birthday here. So let's say I want to change this. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select what do you want to change of this birthday. So let's say the year, and I'm gonna choose this one here. Now, as you can see, you're gonna receive a one-time code on your email. So you're gonna have to simply go to your email and then simply enter that code. So let me refresh this. And then here you're gonna have to simply look for the code. So let's see where it is. So let me go back here. So this one here should be, and I'm gonna enter here. Let's enter really fast. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap. So let's enter the code here. And now we can easily change our birthday. So as you can see, we change it. Now we can do the same thing on the day and the month. And then you're gonna have to repeat the process by entering the 6-digit code that you received on your email address. So basically that's all you have to do to change your birthday on Roblox. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.